In this video we will learn how to create TikTok slow motion video in iPhone. So let's begin.
So the process is really simple. Just go and open your TikTok app. Here you need to create your video that you need to make it slow motion. For that, just go and tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Here, what you can do is just go and tap on this speed icon second from the top. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the speed here. So you have two options. You can either make a slow motion video, or later on you can add an effect of slow motion. So in case if you want to make a slow motion video, tap on this 0.3x, and now when you make your video, it would automatically be slow motion. So once you make it, so this is the a thing that you can do while recording the video. Later on, when you go to the next screen, and here just go and tap on effect, and here at the bottom swipe right to get more categories. Here we have time category, and in the time category you can see the slow motion category. So by tapping on this category, you can see the preview on here. So you can see the preview, and if you want to save this, tap on save, and this effect is added. Either you can do the both, or you can do the one you want to do. So either while recording the video or afterwards you can add the effects as well. So hope this tutorial has helped you in creating the TikTok slow motion video on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe